Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful videos, very charming vlogs of this video. It's all about the kitchen's interior designs. Kitchen's designs are also charming and beautiful things and beautiful ideas. You love this design? Are also most demanding videos. Are also most attractive designs and different amazing videos. Different amazing ideas are also most demanding videos. Good more elegance videos. Everybody you like so attractive, you like so much, and most demanding designs. And different amazing videos are also attractive and newest videos and a newest design. And different types of ideas, different amazing and beautiful things in beautiful videos are also most demanding videos. Our kitchen is basic place of every home. It's loving and precious videos, good more attractive, good more stunning, and newest videos, the newest designs. By sharing good things, community members, different amazing ideas, different attractive videos are also most demanding designs and most attractive and beautiful things and beautiful ideas. So I request to all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing most demanding videos and demanding designs. Your loving and prettiest videos. Take care. Newly videos in a newly designs. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Hello everyone.